Hello all, welcome to my channel. So this is part 2 of EDA, Exploratory Data Analysis. I will show you some cool stuff by plotting the graphs here in this one. Okay, so let's deep dive into this one. We already have seen the basics of EDA, and let's import the data here. Code, import pandas as PD, df is equal to pd dot read csv. So let's have the low memory is equal to false. So this helps us to allocate all the memory which is available. So if you keep it as a true, it will allocate only less memory to this one. If it is false, it will allocate all the memory. Df.head. We already have seen how to find the null values, and there are no null values in this one. So let's find the patterns. Mm, Finding patterns. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, so let's see what is the target values here. So df dot target dot value counts. Okay, so one represents a person has heart disease and zero represent the person doesn't have a heart disease. So there are like 165 records where the person who has heart disease, and 130 people they are like no heart disease. And so let's plot this nicely. Um, okay, let's not plot this one. This is like cool enough. So let's see. Okay, what we have, we have 6, we have target. Let's compare these two. Okay, so let's do this one. Compare 6 and target. Okay, pd dot cross tab. If you remember, this one really helps to compare two ones. Df dot um say df dot target. Okay, so this tells that um so 24 women, 0 represents women, don't have a heart disease, and 24 72 women they're having heart disease, and 114 guys, men, male, they don't have heart disease, and 93 they have heart disease. So if you look at the criteria, I mean, women are more prone to get a heart disease. So let's plot this nicely in a graph. Okay, so for the gender and this one, so matplotlib inline, import matplotlib.pyplot as plot, import cborn as sns dot set font scale is equal to 1, plot dot figure fixed size, let it be like 6 by 6, 10 by 5 let it be. Okay, so plot dot plot. Okay, let's do this one as a pd dot cross tab. Okay, and let's show this one. Let's plot, sorry, plot kind is equal to bar. Okay, so this is how it is looking like. So this is like good. So I would like to pass color is equal to salmon, and light blue. Okay, so and you here also you can pass if you would like to pass 10 comma 5. This looks good. And let's plot dot on x label. What do we have? Gender. So plot dot y label. What do we have? Count. And plot dot legend. So legend gives this one. Location is equal to, I wanted this to be here, 1.020. So this shows this here. So you can see that there are people zeros. So here 0 represents, okay, this is not clear. So here 0 represents, so I'm in the legend, I'm writing this one. Female, male one represents male. So this will represent female and male. So here you can see, so people who are born to heart disease, I mean, so female and male. So who don't have the heart disease, I mean heart disease, zero. So female has less and male they're like one. And here female they have more heart disease and male they don't have heart disease. Okay, that one. Let's find some other pattern. Let's see the maximum heart rate one. So finding patterns two. Okay, let's do the df dot head. Okay, now let's take this talag df dot talag dot value counts. So let's plot something. Okay, this is the maximum heart rate of a person. So we will plot person age and maximum heart rate when they have disease, and person and maximum heart person age and person age and maximum heart rate when they don't have a disease. Let's see how we can do this one. So df dot head. So this is the data. So um, I mean, if we already know this one, so we don't have to write this one, but I'm writing this for you guys. Plot, okay, mat plot. Okay, let's not write this one. Plot dot plot, plot dot scatter plot. Okay, so df dot this one maximum heart rate, which is called this one. Okay, when df dot target is equal to one when they have heart disease, and df dot age df dot target is equal to one. So color is equal to, let it be like salmon color. Okay, so let's have label is equal to disease. Plot dot show. Okay, so this data represents the person who has maximum heart rate, and so if the heart rate is increasing, there is a um, criteria that they may get the heart disease. If the heart rate is less, for example, see here, for age 30, this is like totally fine. And when the people age is increasing, they are prone to get the heart disease. Okay, like and this one. So let's also plot the same for people which who are not having disease. So df dot maximum heart rate talak df dot target is equal to 0 represents no heart disease. So df dot age df dot sorry target is equal to 0. So I would like to have this in a dark blue color, dark blue. So label no disease. Okay, so let's put a title plot dot title max heart rate versus age versus disease. This is the title. Plot dot x label. What we have is the talag is the max heart rate. Plot dot y label. Let's plot age. Okay, plot dot legend. Clock is equal to location is equal to 1.020. So now, if you see here, so red represents here, orange represents, salmon color represents the person has heart disease, and this one represents the person has no heart disease. Instead of dark blue, I would like to go with light blue, so we can see both. Now you can see that when the person's age is high, there are few people who have heart disease, but there are people who don't have heart disease as well. So with the age is fine, but when they have like maximum heart rate, if you see that more people who are having like more than 140 145 they're having the heart disease. So this is also one of the trends that you understand, like okay, with the people maximum heart rate is more, they're prone to disease. So we should have this maximum heart rate column for sure. And let's do finding patterns 3. Okay, so let's look at the data, and let's take a look at only the age. Let's see how many ages are there. Df dot age dot plot dot histogram. Let's plot. um, so you can see here. Okay, so we have the kind of patients that T is like most number of the patients they are like 60s, and they're like mid 50s and 60s, and they are the ones who are prone to these heart diseases, right? So this is how we can do. So okay, let's also do one more. finding patrons for so div dot head. So this chest paint type CP, let's see how many are there. That value counts. So they have like zero, chest paint type 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's plot this one. Mm, plot, okay, pd dot cross tab, df dot cp, df dot target, okay, dot plot, kind is equal to bar, plot dot show. Okay, so this color is also looking good. So you can see here target. Okay, plot dot log um, disease. Okay, zero represent no disease right here. Target no disease, disease. Okay, location is equal to, I wanted this to be here 0.20. Sorry, this is, I'm so sorry, this is legend. So here, if you see here, 0, chest pain type, if the chest pain type is 0, and most of the people, they are not having heart disease, but few people, they're having one. But if the chest pain type is 3, so less people are having no heart disease and more people have heart disease. This is how. So you have to understand what is happening with your data, like how the columns are interacting, which is like so whomsoever actually asks you, or the team asks you to do it, to develop a machine learning model. So you have to do all this exploratory data analysis, and you have to go back to them with your findings, and you have to tell them, hey, this is what I find, or this is what I found. And what you would you say, this is what I'm thinking, this is what I'm not thinking. Or at least for your analysis, you should understand like what is happening with your data. If you don't understand your data, and if you directly jump into develop the model, you can still develop the model, but if people do ask questions, and you may not have answers, and you end up being yourself mute. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This is all about the explore data analysis part 2. I hope you like this content. If in case if you feel that I'm going very fast or something, please do let me know. So I'm considering all the beginners and intermediate people who are looking for ML expertise video, and I'm developing all these videos. Stay tuned with my channel. So once after I complete all the classification videos, I will also create one more playlist for the regression, where I will explain most regression models. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.